Hello, and welcome to the first module of our Safety Audit Checklist for LPG installations. My name is Femi Fanoiki, and I'm the chairman of the Safety and Technical Committee of the NLPGA. In this module, we'll be focusing on the general standards applicable while inspecting an LPG facility. Our objective is to help safety auditors become familiar with these standards and ensure that all hazards are eliminated while sufficient control measures are in place. A special thanks to Gas Terminaling, one of our members, for sponsoring today's video.
In a world where energy is essential, Gas Terminaling is proud to be a leading provider of reliable and affordable clean energy solutions. With a stellar virtual pipeline system and gas plants across the country, we are well positioned to bring clean energy closer to people and communities for domestic, commercial, and industrial users. Our high-quality gas cylinders cater to different needs and demands while offering both safety and efficiency. So, if you're a family or business looking for an efficient gas provider, contact us today and let's make accessing LPG more convenient for you.
Okay, let's get started. Take a look at a few things under this module. We're going to talk about general cleanliness and housekeeping, PPE, personal protective equipment, safety distances between storage tanks, safe distances to ignition sources, safety signage, muster point, emergency exits, daily attendance logs, ventilation of our cylinder filling area, and finally the status of our cylinder filling operations. Let's take a look at them one at a time. Auditors are required to comment on the general cleanliness of a facility. We're looking in this visual inspection for trip hazards or combustible material left on site, loose cabling, cable trays, planks, and generally things that are not supposed to be where they're at. So cleanliness and housekeeping is the very first thing that we need to consider when inspecting a facility. Now, PPE, personal protection equipment. This is critical equipment that serves first and foremost to protect all personnel in that facility. So our auditors are supposed to observe employees and workers in a facility to see what manner of safety equipment is provided for them. What is typical in our environment, you want safety shoes, steel-toe shoes, because things are left on site that can cause a foot hazard. We want to look for goggles. LPG, when it leaks at high pressure, especially during liquid transfer operations, can spray liquids into people's eyes, which can lead to the loss of sight. So safety goggles are an important element. Fire retardant overalls. Yes, are your employees wearing overalls? But more importantly, are those overalls fire retardant? These are some of the things that our auditors should be able to look for when inspecting these facilities. In addition to what I just talked about, other pieces of PPE that are practical for our environment include air muffs, reflective jackets, and hand gloves. So all these will be noted by the auditors for compliance.